Hey there car lovers, today we're diving into a game-changing product that will revolutionize the way you clean and protect your interior surfaces. Introducing the Chemical Guys SPI22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. With this one-of-a-kind product, you no longer need to clutter your detailing arsenal with separate cleaners for leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, cloth, glass, and wood. Total Interior Cleaner Protectant is your all-in-one solution for keeping your interior fresh, clean, and looking like new. Not only does it simplify your cleaning routine, but it also offers professional-grade results with its unique formula containing blockers that help shield interior car parts from harsh sunlight, preventing cracking and fading on hard plastics. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Simply mist on and wipe off. The premium formula wipes clean, finishes residue-free, and leaves no greasy or oily feel behind. It does not add extra gloss or shine, it only restores the stock appearance to the clean surface. So why wait? Say goodbye to multiple cleaners and protectants cluttering your garage and hello to a cleaner, more simplified detailing routine. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Chemical Guys SPI22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing car care products and tips from Chemical Guys. Happy detailing!